Hi children. Today we're going to do a set 3 sound, and this is a split digraph, okay? And it is ooh, 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 ooh. And here we have got a huge brute. Look at him. Oh my gosh. He is huge. So he is a huge brute. My turn. Rude. Your turn. L. Your turn. N. Your turn. Your turn. Excellent, well done. That one is quite a tricky one to do. So this side we've got huge brutes, and this side we have ooh, okay? And it's a split digraph, so there's a sound that goes in the middle there when we write it. Now it sounds like the set 2, ooh, poo at the zoo, but it's actually set 3 and it's the split digraph ooh, okay? So if you need to, you can write this at the top of your page when you do your writing, because it's quite a tricky one to do. So let's play the game. Well done. Okay, I'm going to put this in the set 3 sounds. Now let's do the set 2. Okay, I'm going to go through them as well like we did before. Or, a, ooh, e, I, R, ow, O. Remember set 2, O. Oi, air, or, well done. Okay, let's do the set 3 exactly the same. Shun, or, O. Remember, split digraph. Your, a, ear, ire, e, ooh, ooh. Remember, this is the one we're doing, the split digraph. It actually sounds like another set 3 sound, doesn't it? As well as the set 2. Phonics can be a bit confusing. I, O, ow, oi, a. Well done. Okay, give yourselves a round of applause. Okay, so we've heard the sound, we've seen the sound. Let's do some words with the sound in. So, special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. Special friend, Fred talk. Now for this one, children, we don't go h-u-g, hug, because with this word, the g sound changes to a j. So it's h-u-j, huge, for huge brute. Okay, shall we do that one again? Special friend, Fred talk. Excellent. Special friend, Fred talk. Well done. Okay, now let's do the nonsense word. Special friend, Fred talk. 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 Well done. Okay, now let's do the speedy reading. I've got a mixture here of some set 2 and a few set 3. Let's see if you can do it. I'll go a bit slower. Hope you got this one, the split A. Well done. Okay, let's do the writing. So, at any time you can pause the video because this is quite a tricky one to do, okay? If you need to, write the sound at the top so you remember it. And always remember there's a sound that goes in the middle, okay? Because it's a split digraph. So the word we're going to do is rude. 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 Oh, I just got something stuck there. Count the sounds. Show me fingers, pincers. Say the word rude, rude. Pinch the sounds. Rude. Don't forget, use your speed sounds chart and thread out the sounds as you write it. That helps a lot. Okay? Take your time. If you've got a R, give yourself a tick. And if you've got the oo sound and it looks like mine, give yourself a tick. And in the middle, if you've got the D and it's an ascender, give yourself a tick. If not, just fix it. It doesn't matter. This is a tricky sound to do. Okay, the next word is June. 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 Bless me, count the sounds. Show me fingers, pincers, say the word June. June, pinch the sounds. J, oo, n. Now this is a month of the year, and it can also be a name as well. June. So if you have got a J, and I'm going to do a capital J because it's a name of a month and a name of a person as well. And then if you've got the oo sound, give yourself a tick. And if you've got the n sound in the middle, give yourself a tick. Okay, if not, just fix it. Now, I'm going to do a harder one now, and it is brute, for huge brute. Ready? Brute. Brute. Count the sounds. Show me fingers, pincers, say the word brute. Brute. Pinch the sounds. Brute. Don't forget, use your thread fingers and take your time. If you've got a B, give yourself a tick. If you've got a R, give yourself a tick. If you've got the oo sound, give yourself a tick. And then in the middle, if you've remembered the t, give yourself a tick. If not, just fix it. It doesn't matter because this sound is tricky. Okay? Now, as before, if you want to think of some other words with the oo sound in, you can actually, if you want to, do the set to oo, put at the zoo, and put some words there. You can do this oo, the split digraph, and you can also do, if you like, the other set 3, oo, the chew, the stew. So you have 3 lists of oo words. That would be absolutely brilliant. Okay? And also you can write a sentence as well, and that would be great. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you didn't find it too hard. Don't worry. If you did, well, if you did, you can always do it again. Okay? So I will see you soon. So bye now for children. Bye.